Russian Air Force just received this brand new fighter jet. According to reports, a fresh batch of 5th-generation Su-57 aircraft will shortly be delivered to the nation's Air Force by the state-owned Russian defense firm Rostec. The company also disclosed that it is attempting to increase production of these fighter jets. Want to know more? Hey guys, welcome to our channel Future Warplanes, where we tell you about military fighter jets, military drones, and military planes from the currently famous in the air to the most advanced around the world. So stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this information. And before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our amazing videos in the future. And let's begin! The number of aircraft that will be transferred to the Air Force is not stated in the report. Any new aircraft will greatly boost the service's air power since it only has a few 5th-generation aircraft in its fleet. The Rostec Corporation CEO, Sergei Chemezov, paid a visit to the Komsomolsk-on-Amur aircraft plant, or KNAAZ. The factory, which bears Yuri Gagarin's name, is in charge of making Su-57 combat jets. A fresh batch of fighters will soon be given to the troops, according to the press release. The company is working to increase the production of these aircraft within the scope of the contract between the United Aircraft Corporation and the Ministry of Defense, it said. According to the director, orders for KNAAZ are now fully scheduled through 2028. The fighters, according to Chemezov, were at the high level of preparedness, and the production pace will increase. The 5th-generation fighter manufacturing at KNAAZ will be increased, according to Rostec. Modern equipment will be purchased, new facilities will be built, and improved production techniques will be used to carry this out. The company will start the third stage of galvanic manufacturing and build a new hull for the Su-57 at the flight test facility in the future. The machining and heat treatment facilities will soon begin to be rebuilt by the corporation. It makes sense for the country to increase production given that its 5th-generation fleet lags well behind those of the US and China. The number of Su-57 aircraft that Russia now owns appears to vary widely according to reports, at least for the time being. 3 operational Su-57 variants are reportedly in the Russian Air Force's current inventory. However, a lot of other reports said that the country is now using roughly a dozen of these aircraft. The aircraft's development has been challenging in many ways. One of the Su-57 prototypes sustained significant damage in 2014 as a result of an engine fire. Even though it was once anticipated that the Su-57 would go into service in 2017, by the end of 2019, only one Su-57 had left the production. One Su-57 was destroyed in an accident in eastern Russia in 2019 while being tested, although the pilot was able to safely bail from the craft. The incident caused Sukhoi's CEO to resign, which caused the program to be delayed. In December 2020, the Russian Aerospace Forces obtained their first Felon. In January 2022, Air Force received the second batch of Su-57s, which also contained 2 extra aircraft. However, the nation frequently reaffirmed its intention to have 76 flying aircraft by 2028. The aircraft's chances of being exported likewise seem slim. Before the late 2020s, according to experts, Moscow won't be able to sell a Su-57 that's completely ready for manufacturing. And what's packed in a Su-57 fighter jet? The Russian Sukhoi Su-57 is a 5th-generation multi-role fighter with the power to destroy any aerial, land-based, or naval target. The Su-57 fighter jet's designers claim that it makes substantial use of stealth technology and composite materials. To greatly increase the capabilities of the Russian Air Force, the aircraft will be outfitted with multi-mission capability, automation, and artificial intelligence technologies. The 4th-generation MiG-29 and Su-27 aircraft of the Air Force will eventually be replaced by it. The supersonic range of the Felon is more than 1,500 kilometers, or more than twice as far as the Su-27 fighter. Is Delhi 117 or AL-41F1 enhanced turbofans are now used to power the fighter jet. Now Is Delhi 30 engines will be installed in later production batches. The Sukhoi Su-57 can cruise at a speed of up to Mach 2 thanks to better aerodynamics without the need for afterburners. While moving at subsonic speeds, it can cover a distance of up to 3,500 kilometers. Modern onboard radio electronic equipment is included, and the aircraft is capable of supersonic cruising speeds. This has several innovative features, the most notable of which is weapons concealed within the fuselage. It also has a powerful onboard computer, dubbed the electronic second pilot, a body-wide radar system, and a few other surprises. The Sukhoi Design Bureau and the Russian Aircraft Corporation created the Su-57 as a part of the PAK-FA 5th Generation Fighter Aircraft program for the Russian Air Force. Supercruise, maneuverability, and advanced avionics were all features that were intended to help it defeat naval and ground defenses. The capabilities of a fighter jet and a strike aircraft are combined in this aircraft, which features an integrated wing-body fuselage. The Felon has 2 side armament bays for short-range air-to-air missiles and 2 internal weapons bays between the engines. Composite materials are used in the aircraft's construction to minimize the number of parts and, consequently, the overall weight, enabling mass production. It combines the capabilities of a fighter jet with a strike aircraft and has a fuselage that blends the wing and body. The Sukhoi Su-57, in contrast to the original J-20 aircraft, has 3D thrust vectoring controls that improve maneuverability at high speeds and altitudes. Additionally, it is thought to have superior 3D thrust vectoring control capabilities versus the F-22 Raptor. In close quarters battle situations, the fighter is anticipated to have an advantage because of its excellent maneuverability and supersonic cruise capability. 2 internal armament bays situated between the engines, as well as 2 sidebars for short-range air-to-air missile storage, are present on the Felon. Lower drag and a low radar profile are both achieved by carrying weaponry inside. A high level of controlled automation and intelligent crew support are used to integrate advanced avionics into the aircraft. With less work to do, the pilot would have more time to concentrate on tactics and strategies thanks to the upgraded avionics. The fighter will also give the pilot the ability to communicate and exchange data in real time with ground-based control systems and other air groups. Aside from the 2 side-facing AESA radars positioned on the aircraft's cheeks, the aircraft has an active electronically scanned array radar mounted on the nose for better angle coverage. A 101KS Atoll infrared search and track sensor is installed aboard the aircraft, enabling long-range identification and engagement of stealth targets. The multi-core microprocessors and cutting-edge real-time operating system of the IMA-BK integrated avionics suite enable it to instantly identify enemy targets and advise the pilot on the best course of action. The aircraft's stealth capabilities will be better than those of its predecessors, but some claim that they fall short of some of their rivals' more advanced stealth technology. Radar waves are refracted through the incorporation of design elements such as stealth shape and advances in the wings, control surfaces, and skin panels. In order to decrease their airframe's radar cross-section, planform edge alignment was used in the design. Advanced radio electronic hardware, such as a potent onboard computer, are included in the 5th generation fighter jet's equipment, and a wide area of the fuselage houses its radar equipment. And that's going to do it for today's video, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the like button and make sure you share it with all your friends and family. And if you have any questions or comments for us, you're always welcome to share them with us in the comment space down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see even more of our incredible videos. And you can also check out our other videos that have been specially selected just for you. Hey, one more favor, friends. Please press that bell icon on your way out the door. That way you are always notified of our latest uploads to our channel. Hey, thanks for watching today, and we'll be with you in our next one. Have a great day.